How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit that bell icon so you know exactly when I'm posting. This is my 1987 M1026 Humvee. It's a factory slantback. I bought it from the military a couple years ago, and I've done some upgrades to it, mostly cosmetic things such as the Laverne style brush guard, which I have a video on if you're interested, the airlift bumper with a Rhino spare tire carrier, and some 24 bolt rims. I've been wanting to redo this Humvee for a while now, but more important things such as school and my other projects have taken priority over this. So finally, we have more time and we're able to start this build. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be upgrading the interior, making it a little more comfortable, daily drivable, but I kind of want to keep the military style and look to it. We're going to be doing some body work and painting it. I'm thinking of painting it solid OD green with some black accents. I've seen some Humvees like that and I really like it. So it's going to have black on like the door handles, the hinges, I don't know, the whole underneath is going to be black. I really like that look. Some other really exciting things I have to show you guys is my favorite gauge company is helping out with this build, and they hooked me up with the most badass Humvee gauges I've ever seen. They are so awesome and I can't wait to show you guys. Something else, we have a really awesome off-road lighting company that's helping out in the light department of the build, so plan on seeing some really cool lighting setups on this. Anyways guys, let's get to work and I hope you enjoy the video. I also wanted to mention that within the next year or so, we're going to be having a completely different drivetrain setup in this Humvee, whether it be a 6.5 turbo with a 4L80E transmission, or possibly a 12-valve Cummins, some kind of setup with a 12-valve Cummins. That would be the perfect scenario. I just love that engine, and I've seen a lot of people doing it recently, so I think it'd be really cool to have a video series on that swap. So stay tuned for that as well. So, a little Humvee hack. I keep all my registration and all my paperwork inside these ammo cans. They have a little O-ring seal around the lid, so it keeps it all dry, and it's pretty convenient, especially if you know, you don't have a little storage compartment for your Humvee. Alright, something pretty cool I want to show you guys. I think these are M-Wrap handles. I'm not too sure. Someone actually gave me these, so I don't know where they got them. I think you can get them on eBay. I'm pretty sure I saw them on there before. But anyways, they fit right here perfectly. They'll be like perfect grab handles or oh shit handles. The door doesn't interfere with them. You know, even with the door closed, you have plenty of room to actually, you know, put your hand there, stuff like that. I just like to have, you know, grab handles, and the Humvee right now doesn't have any. And you know, you can even use this with a soft top too. Just put them right there. I might use some rib nuts or something to mount this, but I'll show you guys when I do that, just in case any of you want to do the same. So another cool thing is I just got around to installing these rifle holders. I only have the tops right now, but I'm gonna see if I can make the bottoms. I think there's a couple write-ups online. I think on this website called Gear Report they might have a write-up on how to make the bottoms. But I just got around to installing these, and they're meant for ARs, but an AK fits in there pretty well, which is pretty cool because I go out to the woods all the time with this, and I end up, you know, carrying my gun like on the side right here or something like that. Just an inconvenience, but now that I have these rifle holders, it'll be pretty cool. Check these things out. They're safety lights. Look at these. Wonder if they work. Nope. Wonder how old these are. Pretty cool. It was just sitting under here, underneath the insulation, right next to the parking brake. Check this one too. I'm sure they all don't work anymore. Pretty cool. All right, so right now at this point, we got pretty much everything stripped out on the interior of the Humvee. Just a couple small things like the gauges and stuff like that, but pretty much everything's stripped out. So now we're gonna start cleaning everything. We're gonna vacuum everything, pressure wash it, and then after all that's done, we're gonna start sanding everything. We're gonna get it all ready for paint and all the interior goodies. So let's get back to work. Dude, there's so much dirt.
I like this mask.
Yeah, I like that one too.
I know.
I'm sure it's really hard to see. Military paint dust? Something that, yeah. All right, everybody, we got the whole interior all stripped out. As you can see, we got some of it sanded already. We got the dash sanded because we're gonna be painting the dash first. I have a bunch of really cool things that I'm gonna be adding on the dash that I can't wait to show you guys. And I wanna get those done first so I could get those cool things installed. Take a look over on this side. So yeah, some of the next steps is gonna be painting, actually finishing sanding this. We're not completely done yet. Like this side isn't really done. But yeah, we're gonna be finishing up the sanding, painting everything. We got some new glass windows that are actual glass. So yeah guys, stay tuned for this build. We have a ton of cool things coming and I can't wait to show you. Over and out.